Hello there, Ross here again with a video taken Monday, September 23rd at the Jones family farm down on the eastern shore of Maryland, down on the flatlands. A beautiful piece of ground that they have down there and been farming for a number of years since moving from New Jersey way back when. So it's again, Jones family farm, Massey, Maryland, running a Meyer 8124 rear unloading Boss box mounted on a Sterling truck that David went out to Wisconsin and picked up and drove back, and been using it pretty much during the whole corn silage season here. So just some footage of them packing and unloading, nothing too long or fancy. I do have another video featuring them using a manure spreader body on one of their trucks, also unloading. So feel free to check that one out also. So just as always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click the like button. If you feel like subscribing, I'd appreciate that also. Have a great day. 81:24, minute 39, minute 30, what am I saying? Not a minute 39, 39 seconds to unload.